Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to configure auditing on a Azure SQL database with selected events. We all know that whenever we configure auditing, all the events which are happening that might be like user events or as well as system events are both will be recorded in the auditing file. So this is some customers will come with only that they want to record only few select commands or like insert commands. They don't want to record all the events that are happening on the database. Today we will look into that requirement. Oh, see here I have a SQL server with name called testdemo07. Okay, if you go see auditing, I have not enabled yet. Okay, and if you I'm having one database called text. Okay, you click on that, and if you see auditing, I have not enabled anything on the server level as well as in the database level. Okay, now we want to do that. Okay, so if we want to do that, we have only option called PowerShell. We have to do that with the PowerShell only. Okay, click on the PowerShell Cloud Shell icon. I had all the copied all the commands. So here if we have multiple events, we need to set on which subscription we are going to do that. Okay, just copy that. Here you need to replace your subscription account. Copy and do paste here. Okay, now this command will help you to check is there any events that are already configured on that. Okay, copy that and paste it. See, right now there is no any expenses are configured on that. Okay, if you see that, see this is the one. Okay, we have not configured anything. uh, One more thing, the third command we like here. Here I am going to filter only select and insert statements. If you want any drop commands as well, you need to use just copy this statement here. Here need to put R and you need to copy and do the paste of select command here. Copy and paste, and you have to use R if you want to do the multiple statements. Okay, right now I am doing with insert and select commands. Whenever the user do insert or select command, only these commands will get recorded in the auditing file. See, this is the command. Here we need to give the test demo 07 is my right 07 database name test, storage state enable and resource id. So where do I get this resource id? Now go to this storage account and go to the endpoints. Here you will get the storage account resource id. Okay, and this is a common. Okay, detection period you need to mention that. Right now I am mentioning as a 10. Here you need to use that predict express statement like insert or select commands. Okay, one more thing I would like to inform you is like if for example you have configured insert statement, after some time you came with that and you want to give the select command, at the time you need to mention both insert and select. Why? Because whenever you configure auditing, the old one will get it will get override with the new one. So again you need to pass all the parameters. Okay, just copy that and open browser, go to portal and click do and paste. Yeah, I have got it. Let's see that. Two things. Just copy the second command again and see that action statements. Is there any recorded or not? See here we can see that Okay, see here we can see that statement like inserts and statement. So we came to know that it is going to record insert and select statements. Let's do that practically. Okay, go to the query editor, connect it, and create a statement. Create table Harsha ID in it. Okay, okay. Now I'm inserting into that. Insert into table values d1. Sorry, here you need to press right. I'm inserting. Now I am doing a select command. Select star from Harsha. Okay, I am dropping the again. Drop table name. Now here I have issued 4 commands. One is create, insert, select and drop. Now in this editing file only insert and select has to be get recorded. I mean there is no log file for create and the drop. Let's see that. Go to the auditing. Click on view audit logs. Okay, click on database audit, run in click editor. Click run. Come scroll little bit up. See here I'm able to see only 2 records. Select star from and down to 1. Where I need to see here. Only I have got I have seen the select star from and insert star from. There is no evidence like there is no evidence for drop and drop and create statements. I hope you like this video. Thank you.